Hi everyone. In today's session, let's discuss about the nomenclature of organic compounds. Before we learn about the nomenclature, we must first know about Iupac, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. What is Iupac? It is an international organization that mainly strives in order to carry forward the new trends in the field of chemical science happening worldwide and thereby contribute to the application of chemistry for the service of mankind. Iupac takes the main role in naming elements and compounds. Iupac has put forward some rules for the naming of hydrocarbons. First and foremost, we need to learn the root words that are associated with the number of carbon atoms that are present in the hydrocarbon chain. Suppose, if your hydrocarbon chain contains only one carbon atom, the root word given will be meth. If there are 2 carbon atoms, the root word will be eth. 3 prop, 4 bute, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, 8 oct, 9 non, 10 dec. As we studied about saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons in the previous session, saturated hydrocarbons, also called as alkanes, the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, and the name of an alkane always ends with ane as the suffix. Coming to unsaturated compounds, we have 2 types, that is alkene and alkyne. Alkenes are compounds that contain double bond between carbon atoms. So here the general formula of alkene is CnH2n, and the name of an alkene always ends with the suffix ene. Moving on to alkyne, which is nothing but compounds that contain triple bond between carbon atoms. The general formula being CnH2n minus 2, and the name of an alkyne always ends with the suffix yne. Now let's have a look at this table. As we have studied about the root words and the suffix that has to be added in the case of alkane, alkene and alkyne, now depending on the carbon atoms that are present in the hydrocarbon chain, we can name the organic compounds. In case the hydrocarbon chain consists of only one carbon atom, then the root word used is meth, and since it is an alkane, the suffix used will be ane, so the name of the compound becomes methane. In case there are 2 carbon atoms in the hydrocarbon chain and the 2 carbon atoms are bonded by a single bond, then it is an alkane. Since there are 2 carbon atoms, the root word used is eth, eth, and the suffix ane is added, and the name of the compound becomes ethane. In case there is a double bond between the 2 carbon atoms, it clearly shows that it is an alkene. So the root word used will be eth, and the suffix added will be ene. So the name of the organic compound becomes ethene. In case the 2 carbon atoms are connected by a triple bond, it clearly indicates that it is an alkyne. So the root word is eth and the suffix added is yne. So the name of the organic compound becomes ethyne. Similarly, based on the number of carbon atoms and whether the compound is an alkane, alkene or alkyne, simple naming of organic compounds can be done.